This is my foster puppy, Bob, and this is his first time at the beach. Good job. Come on, Bob. What do you think, Bob? What do you think, buddy? Oh, yucky water. No, yucky water. Yucky. Bob, do you want to go say hi? No. Good morning. Good morning. Good boy, Vader. Bob, quit eating the ocean. You getting some water, buddy? That's so nice, y'all. Thank you for doing that. Oh. Oh, sorry. Bob, look at me. Look at me. Bob, look at me. No, I'm trying to help you out. Bob, I'm trying to help you out. I'm trying to help you out. Bob, I'm trying to help you out. Vader, now is not the time. You know exactly what I'm... Oh, eye booger. Okay. You know exactly what I'm about to show you.